So there's a couple big red flags you should look for when you're hiring a contractor. So the first one is, how long does it take them to get back to you? How long does it take them to get you a quote? I'm extremely busy. Every week we're normally finishing 3 jobs, starting 3 new jobs, okay? And I am not so busy it takes me 14 days to get back to someone, okay? So listen, I've literally met with thousands of contractors, whether I'm at Hardy, at conferences, just people I network with now. Everyone will tell you that 2 times contractors are basically nicest to you is before you sign a contract and when you're trying to get the final check. So if it takes them days and weeks to get back to you, no one's that busy, okay? So they're either not organized, they don't use technology, they're not very efficient. Those are all kind of red flags on, well, who am I hiring? You know, is this guy doing everything? Is he doing all my work, doing bids at night? Like, because what happens is like he gets sick or his kids get sick or he takes a vacation. Like, those are all real things. Like, he's juggling several projects at once and he's doing everything. Like, it's not a smart way to hire a contractor. So are they taking too long to get back to you either initially or for a proposal? Another huge one is high pressure sales. They're in your house for 3 hours, really trying to get the sale. Just don't ever let someone be in your house more than an hour, even 45 minutes sometimes, okay? Just tell them, I'm not gonna make a decision today. Please do not ask me to. Anyone forcing you to buy, they just know if you got another bid or two, you'd notice that like your bid's crazy high, they're not that professional, and you never hire them. Do not fall for high pressure sales tactics. Take as much time as you need. So as much time as you need. I tell people I take a no as graciously as I take a yes. I'll follow up in a week. All I ever expect is when you know, let me know, but you know what? It's all good if you don't want to do that. Like, so don't fall, the high pressure sales is a huge one. Another one is contractors don't itemize their bid. How do you know what you're getting? How do you know what you're agreeing to? So if you ask them, oh, does this include soffit? Oh yeah. Okay, well let's put it in the contract. Like, let's put the colors in the contract. Let's put everything in there. Are you gonna tape the house wrap in windows and doors? Why isn't it in there? I know you're telling me this, but what happens when I find out you're not doing it? So get everything in the contract, make sure it's itemized. Otherwise, how do you know what you're getting? How do you know what 29 grand sounds great, but like, what if you need 35,000 worth of work and you're just not getting everything you think you are? So those are some huge ones. I think another one is, like, how many Google reviews a person have? And not just that, like, what are people saying? Is it Tom did a good job? Or, man, I'll tell you, it was amazing working with Tom. It wasn't all sunshine and rainbows, but he stood by his word. He fixed everything. He went above and beyond. I feel so comfortable. I even though it wasn't perfect, I could never hire somebody else. Or, so like, I'm actually very humbled. Like, I probably have 40 some Google reviews, but I probably had 35 of them. People wrote like 3 or 4 paragraphs. And we really do go above and beyond. It really is all about the customer. And so if someone doesn't have a lot of 5-star Google reviews and really good reviews, I would probably, you wouldn't go stay at a hotel for a week without like seeing a bunch of pictures, all kinds of awesome reviews. Ask for a previous client list. Ask for the last 5 jobs, not just the 5 happiest customers. There's different things you could do as a homeowner to really kind of weed out bad contractors.